Hello friends and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel. Here, we learn about the new trading strategies and test them 100 times. Today we will test the engulfing candle strategy including the bullish engulfing pattern as well as the bearish one. Candlestick patterns are technical trading tools that have been used for centuries to predict price action. There are various candlestick patterns used to determine the price direction including hammer, inverse hammer, bullish and bearish engulfing pattern, morning star, hanging man, shooting star. Today we will focus more on the engulfing candle strategy which could be triggered by a bearish and bullish engulfing pattern. As usual we will describe the trading strategy then test it 100 times with a $1,000 account. If you are a professional trader looking to catch up with the latest trends or you are a new trader who is looking for the best trading strategies, feel free to check out the tests we have previously conducted on this channel such as MACD, Bollinger Band, RSI, Moving Average Crossover and more. You are more than welcome to subscribe to our channel for more trading strategy testing. So, let's get started.
Before we describe the strategy, let's review the two setups we will be using today. The bullish engulfing pattern is a two-candle reversal pattern. The second candle completely engulfs the real body of the first one, without regard to the length of the tail shadows. A bearish engulfing pattern is a technical chart pattern that signals lower prices to come. The pattern consists of an up green candlestick, followed by a large down red candlestick that eclipses or engulfs the smaller up candle. When we spot a bullish engulfing pattern, we will look at the third candlestick. If it closes higher, we will place a buy stop order at 3 pips higher than the third candle. If it closes below the engulfing candlestick we will look at the fourth one and apply the same 3 pips buy stop order. If the fourth candle closes below the initial engulfing candle, we will just ignore the setup and move on. The same basic rules will apply to the bearish engulfing pattern. If the third candle following the bearish engulfing candle closes lower, we will place a sell stop order 3 pips below the third candle. If the third candle closes higher than the bearish engulfing candle, the same concept will apply to the fourth candle. The setup will be neglected if neither the third nor the fourth close below the initial bearish engulfing candle. The strategy will rely on a few simple rules. First, the stop loss is 1 ATR away from the entry, whereas the take profit level is 1.5 ATR from the entry. Once the order is placed, if it is not triggered within 3 candles which represent 3 hours, the pending order will be cancelled. We will work on the 1 hour time frame in order to avoid the false signals. As usual, we always advise our students to trade with the trend. The trend is always your friend, and trending against it could expose you to some considerable losses. Trending with the trend will increase the chances to hit the take profit instead of the stop loss. We will rely on the 200 exponential moving average. We will only validate the bullish engulfing pattern when the price is above the 200 EMA, and the bearish engulfing pattern will be considered when the price is below the line. This strategy works best when we are at a high volatility market conditions. Based on that, we will also use the average true range ATR in order to avoid the false engulfing patterns that characterize the sideway market setups, such as the one highlighted in yellow. If the ATR is below 100 value, we will neglect the opportunity and only make an order when the ATR is above 100 and the other rules are validated. Scanning through the chart to find a specific candlestick pattern might be a time and energy-consuming process. In order to simplify our task, we will use one of the free candlestick scanning indicators on TradingView. The indicator is called Candlestick Patterns Identified. The indicator would display the different candlestick patterns we might have on the chart automatically. As we are looking exclusively for the bullish engulfing pattern and well as the bearishing one, we will adjust the settings so the indicator will only display the candlestick patterns we need. With this being said, we are now ready to start our test. You can follow the steps in order to gain a better understanding about the strategy. If you still have a question or a suggestion related to the setup, feel free to leave your concern in the comment section. I have found this strategy in a popular forum dedicated for Forex trading strategies. I receive many requests from our channel subscribers to test a strategy based on the candlestick patterns. Feel free to leave the strategy you wish me to test in the comments section, with preferably all the details needed, such as the risk-to-reward ratio, as well as the entry conditions. According to my experience, every trading setup relying on the candlestick patterns should be viewed within a context which is part of the elements that the iconic trader Al Brooks has mentioned in his book named Price Charts Bar by Bar. I highly recommend you having a look at that book, which structures the 4 different cycles that the chart goes through based on the candlestick patterns. The average true range or ATR is a technical analysis indicator that measures market volatility by decomposing the entire range of an asset price for that period. Many traders enter trades during low volatility market conditions with a strategy that works mostly on a trending market, such as the moving average crossover or candlestick patterns. The market consolidation for some pairs such as the Euro-USD or Euro-Swiss franc could continue for a relatively long period. Thus, the trader might not have enough balance to open other positions, especially if the trader is over-leveraging the position, and the swap might also exhaust the account. I will make a video sometime soon to define the 4 stages that every Forex pair goes through during the day. Each stage requires a different trading strategy. It is important to be able to tell the story that the candlestick pattern is demonstrating. Let's give this video some likes and shares so it reaches a bigger audience. This channel is growing every day, and I am quite glad to see more and more engagement, which encourages us to test more strategies in future. Let's fast forward the video to save us some time. We have experienced recently trading a so-called 100% success rate strategy that I bought for $150 from a certain trading guru. The part 1 of the test was shared with you guys, and the response was quite overwhelming. Kindly consider watching part 2 video, which will be shared next week, to get the entire picture. As usual, I always advise you guys to test the different strategies we share on this channel on a demo account before using your real money. A successful trading strategy could fail if the trader does not practice it enough on a demo account. Apart from that, maintaining the right mindset is one of the most important factors in being a successful trader. Find out how you can improve your trading psychology to minimize the effect of emotions and biases during your time on the markets. Candlesticks can come together to form various patterns, telling a trader about the market sentiment and price trends. They are great tools to ascertain the profit potential and market risks involved. Patterns are easy to identify and comprehend if one makes a little effort to study them. Compared to traditional charts, they provide more information regarding the interaction between buyers and sellers during a specific time frame. The bearish and bullish engulfing patterns can provide a lot of information on market sentiment. But can we rely on candlestick patterns along with ATR and exponential moving average to trade our hard-earned money? The results of this strategy testing process will give us the answer. Do you think that this strategy is profitable? Do you want us to twist it somehow? Or you want us to test it differently? The comments section is all yours. Feel free to tell us your opinion, and if you want us to test a specific strategy, don't hesitate to describe it in the comments section so we could add it to the lineup of trading strategies we will put our hands on soon. We have just completed our test. This was one of the longest experiences that I have ever conducted on this channel. It took me more than 2 hours to complete it. I am glad that I had some nice jazz music playing in the background. Let me know in the comments section what kind of music do you enjoy listening to while you're trading. Well, let's talk numbers. After 100 trades I managed to make a profit of $160.2. The success rate of this strategy is 46%, which makes it one of the least profitable strategies we ever tested on this channel. So do I recommend this strategy? Probably not. The strategy will require a lot of chart monitoring, and the fact of focusing entirely on the indicators will prevent us from checking the supply and demand levels as well as the support and resistance lines. Apart from that, I have noticed that 1 ATR risk level is pretty small, and the price often needs a bigger room to be able to go in our favor. Thank you very much for watching, and feel free to check out the other strategy tests that we conducted on this channel previously, and feel free to like and subscribe to encourage us making more content. Happy trading!